Hello, brothers and sisters. My name is Peter Nehane. I am one of the generation known to the world as the Lost Boys of the Sudan, and a vice president for a small non-profit organization, Life for Sudan. I am taking this opportunity to welcome you and visit us on our website to learn more about our work and the services we provide to the Southern Sudanese people, back home and here in America. Your support would be very important. Please visit us on our website at lifeforsudan.org, or for small financial assistance, go to Network for Good at networkforgood.org. Your help is very important to us, and it will make a significant change in the life of the Southern Sudanese people back home and here in the United States. God bless you and thank you very much. Thank you.